everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix if is not turning on Infinix GT50 Pro. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button. Just click and hold side power button, click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, click on my phone and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is reset all settings. Go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system. Click on reset phone. Reset all settings. Reset enter phone pin. Click on this icon, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix if is not turning on Infinix GT50 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.